Hi guys, so for today's vlog, we are here at Texas Roadhouse. So, itong vlog na to is ginawa ko para sa mga first time nakakain dito sa Texas Roadhouse. So, samahan nyo kami and kain tayo dito sa Texas Roadhouse and I'll give you my honest review about this restaurant. This is my second time here at Texas Roadhouse and ito talaga yung binabalik-balikan itong kanilang freshly baked na bread roll. So nire-ready pa ni ate. While waiting for that is dito muna tayo sa free peanuts nila. So may pa-free mani sila dito. Yan, kain muna tayo while waiting for our freshly baked na breads. So, andito na at dumating na yung ating order na freshly baked na bread rolls with cinnamon butter. So, ito siya guys. So, must try talaga dito. By the way guys, this is a complimentary bread and this is for free. So, make sure na mag-request kayo nito and mag-order kayo nito because this is for free. Yan. It looks so good and so yummy.
Ang sarap.
Ito pala yung orders namin. So, it's 1,650. Then, we get to choose 3 entrees. So, ito yung mga choices. So, there you go. Dumating na yung orders natin. So, this is the Texas fried fish. And ito naman guys, ito yung kanilang boneless barbecue chicken. It looks so good. And ito naman yung kanilang grilled pork belly. So tara, let's eat. Itadakimasu. So try muna natin itong kanilang fried fish or ito yung kanilang fish fillet. So ito yung kanilang dipping sauce and yan. Very moist and crispy yung chicken. So ito naman, nag-order rin kami ng calamari or squid calamares. So yan, tara guys, kain na tayo. We also ordered iced tea. So this is a refillable iced tea. This is 175. So ayan, kain pa tayo ng cinnamon butter bread roll. This is so yummy and mainit pa. So this is our second order of this bread roll. Sarap kasi. So tara, let's rate the food. So of course, ito ay 10 over 10 for me. And this is 9 over 10. This one naman is 9 over 10 din. This is 8 over 10. And ito naman chicken is 7 out of 10. Masarap and quality yung kanilang ingredients. So we will be back here again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye!